So, ayan guys, good morning again. Ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Port Royal Resort, Tacloban City. So, ayan guys, open na naman po ang kanilang swimming. Ayan guys, swimming na dyan. Nag-open na sila. Another swimming. So, yan guys. Mag-start na ang kanilang pag-swimming dito guys. Kaya maligo na tayo. Yan, doon may nag-swimming na oh. Diba? May nagsiswimming na doon. Yeah. Swimming na guys. Mamaya madami na namang tao dyan. Daming tao na yan mamaya dyan mag-swimming guys. Ayan. Diba yung slide dyan? Open na yung parang ano nila. Mini pool. Ayun, nandun na yung mga bata. Guys, nagbibisin yung ulan. So ito ay Port Royal Resort guys. Ayan, pumunta na kayo dito at mag-swimming na kayo. Ayan guys, so this is breakfast day, morning. Ayan. Sarap mag-swimming dito guys. Kung love nyo mag-swimming, si Eliana. Ayun na.